guys, welcome back to Sadie's World. I'm Sadie. So today we are going to be doing a crochet tutorial and I'm teaching you guys how to make DIY scrubbies. So you'll see that in like 30 seconds. Alright, my Instagram is at SadiePinkLadybug. I'll link it down below. And yeah, let's be creative. Let's go. Hey guys, back with another video here. Today I thought I'd teach you guys how to make your own DIY facial scrubbies. So what yarn I have here is the Red Heart Scrubby and it's in the color Zesty. I'm going to be doing a crochet tutorial, so if you don't know how to crochet, there's a lot of videos out on YouTube, so just look up how to crochet and they'll have a lot of videos for you. So the hook you should use is the 5x5mm, and you can see that on the package. And if you want to know what size yarn it is, it's a medium, it's 4. And if you look on the back of the packaging, it should have a skein of yarn with a number on it, and that would tell you what size it is. And so you are going to take the end of your yarn and you're going to count up maybe, let's say, an inch, and then make a simple slip knot. Then just put your hook in it and you can slip it. The best part about the slip knot is that you can resize it and it is very easy to use. So now, holding your thing in your hand, a way to hold the yarn. Again, this isn't like a tutorial on how to crochet, but if you want to know, you can either hold it like this and then do that, or like I like to hold it. I like to take my hand out like this, put the yarn through my pinky, flip it over, and then while I flip it over, I put it through there. So basically the two middle fingers are underneath the yarn. And then I use my middle finger and my thumb to hold the knot where I have the slip knot. So we are going to crochet 4 and make a loop. So we're gonna pull this in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to make a loop, you're gonna go into the first chain you did. And now you have 2 chains on your thing. So then take the organ yarn and put it through both those chains to make a simple loop. Now we are going to be doing half double crochets. So you're just gonna wrap it around like you're making another chain and then put it through the hole and then take the hook part and get another thing of yarn. So now you should have 3 and put the next part of the yarn through all 3. Now this is scrubby yarn, so it has all these flyaway bits. But if you just want to work with simple dishcloth yarn, you can find that at your local Walmart, and it might be easier for beginners. So now do that again 7 more times. Now I have 7 half double crochets and I'm going to find the first double crochet I did, a half double crochet I did, and I'm just going to stick my hook in there and make, what's it called? A single crochet into there. So now you should have a small circle and then chain 1 and then go back in there. And this time, do 2 half double crochets in the same spot. and then do the same thing you did last time and just do a single crochet to hook it together. So it's looking pretty good so far. I want mine to be a little bit bigger because right now it's tiny. So we're gonna chain 2, because I did 1 last time, but we're actually gonna chain 2, and put 2 double crochet in the same spot that you chained, and then 1 double crochet in the next one, and then 2 double crochet in the next one. Okay, now I've gotten back to the end again, so I'm just gonna put my hook through and make a single crochet. Now this is making a circle pattern. This is from the tail. You can just pull that up if you want that to be better. This is making a circle pattern. I think we're gonna go around one more time. That way it's extra big. This is a facial scrubby, so it's for facials and stuff like that. So you can just put it on your face and see if you like the desired thing with that. I think I'm gonna make mine one bigger, and then we will finish the DIY with a strap. Okay, so if you're doing yours one bigger like I am, 2 double crochet in the thing that you chain, or 2 half double crochet. Okay, now half double crochet in the spot where you chained. Just do 1, and then do 1 in the next one. 2 double crochet in the same one. 1 double crochet. Half double crochets. 1 half double crochet. 2 half double crochets. The next video I'm doing will be a kind of spa day, so make sure you look out for that because these will be in part of that. Single crochet. And I really like the size that this is right now, so I think I'm going to end it here. I have a lot more yarn, so that means I can make a lot more of these, or I can make an actual towel. But now we're just gonna do a strap. So you're going to chain, let's say 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm gonna try 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I'm gonna do 14 instead of 20 because 14 fits around my hand, but if you need to make it longer or bigger, go ahead and make it bigger. So now you're just going to fold this in half, find the half point, stick your hook in, and then do a single crochet. Make sure that fits around your hand and it won't come loose. I like the feel of that. Okay, that's nice. So now you're going to need some scissors. Just cut and then hook it through all the way. And that will tie it off. So now, after I remove everything, you have a facial scrubby. And like I said, in the next video, I will show you guys how to make your own DIY face masks and basically a spa day kind of thing. Anyways guys, I hope you found that useful in some way. Please subscribe and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram at Sadie. I'll link it down below, like always. Thank you so much for 49 subscribers, and I'll see you next time in my world. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.